Hey guys, Ivan here. First off, I sound weird. Yes, it turns out I have a head cold. Nothing to worry about. It's just a waiting game. I did get a couple packages in the mail, as you can see here. If I get my fat head out of the way, there we go. And one was a gift. One I purchased. Both of them amazing from amazing people. One a personal friend. The other I'd like to at least meet one day. Let's open this and see what I got. First off, this says from an independent artist. I think this is from a friend of mine who just recently started making shirts, or making designs for shirts, I guess we should say. And I'm going to open this up, see what I got, and see what kind of quality it is. From a company called T Public. Yeah. Yeah, this is a t-shirt from my friend. Roll for initiative, you little brat. I am, you can see this is sitting on top of my dragster. Not only do I build hot rods, I'm also into nerdy shit. I play Dungeons and Dragons, Pathfinder, video games, all kinds of shit like that. Yeah, look at that. That's fucking awesome. And it's on a Gildan shirt. I've found, like for my own personal taste, Gildan is the softest stuff. I prefer Gildan products. So I'll give this a wash. Check it out one day when I'm not going to be going to work, see how I feel with it. See how it feels when I wear it. This box, I actually got an email notification for it. Emelia Hartford launched a car care product line, and I've always been a big fan of her work, and she does a lot with middle awareness and charities and stuff like that, so I thought this is a good opportunity to kind of help her out. So I bought one of each of their products. It is manufactured by PFS. They take care of a lot of very high-end exotics and sports cars and stuff like that. So if it's good enough for all that shit, it's good enough for my shoe boxes outside. Let's see what I got. First thing is the waterless wash, Hartford Limited. Comes with a sprayer, and it's got a description and directions for use. That's it. A lot of stuff didn't like put a lot of information in their bottles. I like the fact that hers did. So I've got the waterless wash. I've got the ceramic spray. I've got ceramic soap. This was designed, in her video they said that this is designed to be used in either a bucket or a foam cannon. I've got a bucket, obviously. I build cars, I got buckets everywhere. But I might get a foam cannon for this, just because, fuck it, why not? And you done, congrats. What does that mean? Oh shit. Okay. So she had a contest going. She put one label upside down, and the winner would actually get. She said she would pay probably $100. I'm not gonna take that. I'm gonna see if I can talk her into something cheaper and donate the rest. But Emelia, there's your upside down label. That's awesome. Is there anything else in here? Nope, just peanuts. I don't have a peanut allergies, I just don't like them. One thing they did say is that everything in this smells like you could drink it. How does it smell? And all the wild hair comes from, I took a shower about 2 hours ago. And I've just been lazy. That smells like bananas. That's cool. I wish my voice wasn't all fucked off right now. I would like to talk to you guys normally. But, yeah. Head cold kind of does that. Plus, working in the shop where I had to yell call outs, I actually lost my voice for almost 3 days. Also, speaking of 3 days, this stuff went live 4 days ago, October 1st. It got here today. Post does not run on Sundays. That means this got here, it was packaged and got here in less than 3 days. That is awesome. Thank you. Alright, well, I'm going to pack these all back up. I'm going to use them next time I wash my car, kind of give an idea of how well they work and everything like that. And I'm not a detailer by no means. All my shit, I mean, hell. Let me take you off the stand here real quick. All my shit is raw and nasty. This truck, I'm finally starting the body work on it. It's a 1975 Chevy Love. It's had 30 years of hard abuse from my father, and I intend to flog it for another 30 more years. The dash pad was fucked. New front bumper for the daily, the little monster, my little 2015 Chevy Spark. I've been fighting with the paint on this for a long time. I think I'm just going to shut the buck and pay a body shop to paint it for me. So, again, my stuff is not immaculate by any means, but I'm going to give you all my honest and true opinion on these products. Emelia, you've done awesome making content. I hope your products live up to that, and I'm sure they will. I'll see you guys later. Bye.